The 70th anniversary of the VOA is for me like the birthday of a friend, because the VOA and other broadcasting stations were the friends who kept me company during my long years of house arrest. So, as I would on a friend's birthday, may I wish you many happy returns and much happiness and much progress in the future, because your happiness and progress is not just your own, but that of the many peoples that you serve through your service. That is real service. When I was under house arrest, my only contact with the world were the broadcasting stations to which I listened every day, assiduously, to find out what was going on. And that was what helped me to reconnect almost immediately when I was released. For this, I shall always be grateful to the VOA and other broadcasting stations. That the VOA has had a Burmese language program for so many years is a matter of particular satisfaction for us. Many people in Burma have had to recourse to these international broadcasting stations to find out what was happening in our own country. Now that there is more freedom of information in Burma, we perhaps are not as dependent on the radio stations as before, but that does not in any way reduce their importance, because it is a different angle from what we hear inside the country. It is always good to have as many sources of information as possible. So I hope that in the years ahead, the VOA will continue to take a keen interest in Burma and what is going on in Burma, and that I shall be able to continue listening to it, as I still do every day, though for not as long a period as I used to under house arrest. Thank you very much for all that you have done for Burma and for me in the matter of information, and I hope that you will go from strength to strength.